Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on menu music on NBA Live game. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the preferences option. It should be listed at the very top of the menu. Tap on the edit button right beside it. Scroll down and find the menu music option in the audio section. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to the menu music option to turn it on. The switch should move to the on position, indicating the menu music is now enabled. And this is how you can turn on menu music on NBA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.